Hey there, Brett Jennings with Silicon Valley Real Estate Journal. I want to thank you for tuning back into the real estate blog here. Today, our topic is going to be 8 ways to increase your home value by up to $50,000, spending as little as $6,000. I want to share with you today 8 ways to add up to $50,000 to your home value by spending less than $6,000. The first thing, pretty simple. You're going to want to do a deep clean. Get a cleaner out there that's going to clean the grease off of the range hood, dust in all those areas behind the couches and things that you haven't seen for a while, and really get the house looking immaculate. It not only will feel good, but it will give buyers a great first impression. The second thing you're going to want to do is declutter the home. And here you're going to want to look to put things away. Anything that's smaller than a football that sits on your shelves should get tucked and packed away, and any of that old clunky furniture should probably go in the garage. Remember, we're selling space here, and that's what we want to showcase. The third thing you're going to want to do is paint. So you don't necessarily need to paint every room. You can touch up rooms that just need some painting here and there. If you find that you have the original colors, or go to Home Depot and you can get a paint match done many times if that will work as well. The fourth thing you're going to want to do is update fixtures, doorknobs, hinges, and switches. Now, these are relatively low-cost updates. You'll find that light fixtures vary anywhere from $60 to $600, but updating some of those older light fixtures in your homes are a great place to start, as well as the hinges and handles and hardware on your doors and doorknobs. You can also update the look. Your spend there, you could spend as little as $500. The fifth thing is update the landscaping. So here we're talking about getting out there and trimming back some of the bushes that might be overgrown, adding some nice flower in the flower beds, putting some bark or mulch in to really give your home some great curb appeal. The sixth thing is some small bathroom updates. You know, if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's these days, if you have an older bathroom, maybe with an older vanity, or the light bar, for a package, you can usually, for around $500 or $600, you can get a nice vanity and a nice light bar to update the look of your home. Seventh thing is cleaning the carpets. You can get a great carpet cleaner if you check with us. We got a few different vendors that we could recommend that do amazing carpet cleaning and could restore your carpets almost to look like new. And you're going to probably spend about $300 on good carpet cleaning. And then lastly, you're going to want to get home inspections. Some of the things that we can't see about the home might be things that we need to put some money into. Home inspections themselves will cost about $750, and we do want to address or fix any of those things that might have some deferred maintenance. So there you have it, 8 ways to add up to $50,000 to your home value by spending $6,000 or less. And if you are looking to sell your home, the last thing I'd say is have a professional come out like ourselves. We can give you some ideas on some additional tips that can increase your value, and we're happy to come out and do that. So until we talk again, this is Brett Jennings saying we'll be right here ready to help you create a better life through real estate.